Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw Mario from Super Mario Bros. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with Mario's nose first, and it's going to be a C shape. From there, I'm going to do his eye, and it's going to be the skinny end shape. And now we're going to do his other eye. So this one's going to be like an oval shape. Like this. Now inside of these end shapes, I'm going to do another curve line like this. And within that curve line, I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to do a little circle inside, as always, for reflection. For his other eye, I'm going to do like this C shape within his left eye. And we'll do another smaller C shape. And a small circle on the inside. Now I'm actually going to fill this part in of his eyes. So now that we got his nose and his eyes, let's move on to his mustache. So his mustache, we're going to do a wide curve line like this. And we're going to do a series of U shapes on the bottom of his mustache. So now that we have his mustache, I'm going to actually color that in as well. Now feel free to pause the video at any point if you guys need to use it to catch up. So now we got his mustache filled in. So next, I'm going to actually work on the bottom half of his head. So what I'm going to do is, from right about here, I'm going to do a wide arch, which is going to be one of his cheeks. And then we're going to do another wide U shape for his chin. We'll do another wide U shape for his other cheek, which will lead us to his ear. Now his ear is going to be like this backward C. So it'll look like just like this. So now that we got his ear, let's work on his sideburn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that comes down like this for the top of his sideburn. And I'm going to do like this backwards S shape. And now I'm going to do a regular S shape. So it should look like this. Next, let's move on to his mouth. So his mouth is going to be this curved line like this. And we're going to do a U shape. And we're going to give him some teeth just by drawing a line. And we're going to give him a little tongue just by adding a little curved line on the inside. Now let's go ahead and fill in the inside part of his mouth. So it should look something like this. So now that we have the bottom half of his head ready, let's move on to the top portion of his head. So I'm going to do his eyebrows. And it's going to be like this sideways moon shape. So we're going to do a wide curved line like this. And within that line, we're going to do another curved line. So it kind of has like a moon shape to it. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side, just a little bit smaller. And then we're going to do another curved line along the top. So like I was saying earlier, his eyebrows are actually black as well. So I'm going to go fill those in. Take your time coloring. That way you don't have an error and you're going to have to restart. Just take your time. Real quick, did you know that Mario wasn't always called Mario? When he first appeared in the game, his name was actually called Jumpman. He got his famous name Mario later on after a landlord who looked like him. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. To finish off the top of his head, we're going to draw a line that comes down from this eyebrow to his nose. And then in between these two eyebrows, I'm going to do kind of like a line that comes at an angle. And he's going to have a hat on, so the bill of his hat's going to be a little curved. So what we're going to do is add like a curved line like this. So now that I've mentioned his hat, we're actually going to move on to the bill of his hat. So this part can be a little bit tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this curved line, and I'm going to stop right there. Because what that's going to allow me to do is to adjust my hand and to continue to make my line. So now we have the bill of a hat, and we're going to give the bill some dimension by adding another line. And it's kind of weird because it goes through his eyebrow. So now that we have the bill, let's move on to the top of the hat. I'm going to do this wide end shape. So this curved line is actually going to come down to a fold in his hat. And I want to start another curved line from right here. So I'm going to do like a backward C shape. Oh, you know, we can't forget the folds in his ear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a C shape. And in there, I'm going to make it look like an F. And now on his hat, he has his initial, the letter M for Mario. So I'm going to do a half circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do it with a red marker, but I'm going to make the letter M on the inside. And I'll show you how I do that when I do the coloring process. So now that we have the outline of Mario, I'm actually going to take this time and I'm going to color him in with some marker and possibly some color pencils. So what I like to do is I really like to take my time here because coloring can really add those cool details to make your drawing a pretty cool piece of art. So I'm going to speed through this part and we'll be right back. And this is my Super Mario. I just want to say thanks for joining me on this fun drawing adventure. I hope you guys had a blast learning how to draw Mario. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to Erwin's Art Adventure for more fun and creative drawing lessons. And I can't wait to see you guys' amazing artwork, so be sure to share it with me. Until next time, keep drawing, keep having fun, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.